Hi, this is Willie from Texas Instruments in Silicon Valley. For years, industrial and automotive design engineers who needed an isolated power solution with tight voltage regulation had to rely on flyback converters with complicated and space-consuming optocouplers. These flyback solutions typically take up valuable board space and add to your system's BOM costs. But in 2011, Texas Instruments developed the flyback converter, a buck converter that generates isolated outputs that can be regulated effortlessly without using optocouplers or auxiliary winding. The flyback converter brings an easy-to-design, smaller-size solution to multi-output and isolated power supply designs. And now, TI is extending its family of flyback converters with the LM5160, the industry's highest power synchronous step-down regulator that supports flyback topology. The LM5160 is positioned to address the need for higher power bias power solutions, especially in industrial and automotive applications. For example, with its high current range, the LM5160 can support bias power for all three phases of an AC motor drive while eliminating optocouplers, greatly improving reliability and lower BOM costs. Other features of the LM5160 include its wide V-in range, optimized for both 24-volt and 5-volt inputs, allowing it to operate in harsh transient conditions without protection circuitry. It offers a flexible solution that supports both isolated supplies up to 15 watts and non-isolated applications up to 1.5 amp. With constant on-time control, the LM5160 gives you easy-to-implement fast transient response with a low component count that eliminates the need for external loop compensation. Its programmable soft start feature reduces inrush currents when powering up into heavy loads or large capacitance. And with its V-out error correction, you have improved V-out accuracy along line and load. The LM5160 is fully supported in TI's WebBench suite of online design tools and is featured in several reference designs in the TI design library, making it a truly easy-to-implement solution. Let me show you a few of those reference designs that show how you can use the LM5160 to improve your bias power designs. In industrial markets, the LM5160 can enable programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, to power more and more I/O channels. The TI design PMP10532 takes a 24-volt nominal input and provides 3 isolated outputs of 5 volts at 1 amp and plus minus 15 volts at 200 milliamps. The design is suitable when you need an isolated power supply for an MCU and control circuits and a positive-negative bias to op-amps in PLC applications. The regulation of each output maintains within the plus-minus 5% tolerance range. When you are designing a power supply for IGBT-based AC motor drive systems, the LM5160 can give you a very compact solution with 4 pairs of isolated positive, negative voltage rails, suitable for biasing 6 IGBTs in a 3-phase configuration. The TI design PMP10531 generates 8 isolated outputs for IGBT driver bias in 3-phase motor drive applications. It has 3 sets of 15-volt minus 8-volt positive and a negative bias voltage with 100 milliamp current capability to support the high-side IGBT drivers respectively. The bottom IGBT drivers are powered by the remaining positive 15-volt and minus 8-volt pair. And the LM5160's high power capability enables power over Ethernet designs, including the growing market of IP phones and cameras. The TI design PMP10572 provides an isolated 12 volts at 1 amp, for PoE IP camera solutions in a very small form factor, achieving high efficiency. So that's just a quick look at some of the features and benefits from TI's latest FlyBuck family offering, the LM5160. Go to ti.com/FlyBuck, where you can get much more information, including evaluation modules, reference designs, and simulation tools, and other TI design resources from TI. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.